Hi, I'm Janet from Imagination here in Melbourne, Australia, and my tip for the day of how to succeed and thrive in a dynamic and disruptive environment is to consider this as a moment in time for a huge reset, reboot. So I really encourage you to hit your pause button and retreat and reflect and reboot by doing just 3 things. The first thing that I'm going to ask you to do is to develop discomfort resilience, and that just means dance at the edges of your comfort zone because that's where the learning happens. The second thing I'm going to suggest that you do is you develop what we call innovation agility, which is the ability to make an intentional shift in any situation. And finally, really play and experiment with being, thinking and doing things differently, and have some fun and develop your future fitness and be safe and well.